Hi, I'm Molly. I'm constantly posting and deleting videos, and I'm not gonna get into why. I don't really even know if I have a reason. Basically, I'm back again, and I'm gonna be doing an everyday makeup tutorial, just like start off my channel like again. I know I look kind of crazy. I did my eyebrows already. I primed my face and everything. I don't wear foundation. I hate foundation. So I also have a mirror right here. I'm just gonna put on some Tarte Shape Tape. And I've been putting on like a lot of this, and you really don't need a lot with this concealer. This concealer is so full coverage. Yeah. Okay, so I like to work in sections because not only does this concealer like dry quickly, but I use two. And I use the most basic combination ever. I use the Instant Age Rewind. So I'm just gonna put that all over as well. You know what I really hate? I was watching some YouTuber the other day. Who was it? Batty Maddie. I was watching Batty Maddie. And she's so cute. I love her videos. But like, she was putting on her makeup and she just goes and starts smacking her face. And I'm like, what the heck are you doing? So, really quickly, before that sets, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in the color Starlight and just put like a crap ton of that on. Basically, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier powder. I got the mini one because I'm a broke girl and I didn't know if I was going to like it, so I'm going to take this Morphe brush. It's like a flat top brush. I don't really know the name of it, and I'm just going to quickly set this eye. I'm just going to turn my camera off real quick, and I'm going to do the exact same thing to my other like under eye, like conceal and set it just real quick because it's just boring watching me do the same thing twice basically. So basically I just put concealer. My boyfriend's so cute. I'm so mad. But oh, I put concealer, so gotta get that off my nose, right? On my nose, my forehead, and like my chin, upper lip area. Like all right here. We're gonna have a, how do I see this? I just put the Makeup Revolution drop like all over my nose. Oh my. It's okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna set my entire face now. I'm gonna use this really big Real Techniques brush. I have no idea what this song is. Oh. I feel like I need to fix this eyebrow. You can't even see it, but it looks like trash. Oh. My nose looks so bad. Can you guys like... I'm going to do my eyeshadow, and I think today I'm going to be using the Tartelette and Bloom palette because my fave palette like ever, to be honest. Can you see how, oh my god, my nose looks so bad. Okay. I don't know what is on this brush. There was like some color left on this brush and I have no idea what it was. Oh my goodness. Basically, for starters, I'm gonna be taking, this is a brush that I got off of wish.com. It was like literally like $7 or less. I came in a set. I'm gonna be taking this. It's the color Jet Setter. And I'm just, whoa. Oh, wow. This is way more than I wanted to put in. Alright, I'm gonna fix this eye and then I'm gonna actually do this whole entire eye. And then I will show you how to do it on this eye. So I will be right back. And I'm gonna fix this eyebrow because what is that? What is that? Hi, hello, I'm back. I kind of fixed my eyebrows. Not really, but this is what the eye looks like. Usually it's more pink. I think I did something wrong. But she's cute or whatever. Okay, so like I said on this eye, I'm going to take Jet Setter and the Tartelette and Bloom palette and just put that all into my crease, and it's going to look a little crazy, but after we blend it out, it's going to look good. I hate doing my eyeshadow. And I think we can all see the part where my eyebrow is not blended. I hate myself so much. Basically, you're just gonna blend Jet Setter like a whole lot. Mess up your eyebrow like 20 times, it's fine. What does this even say? Sweetheart. The Tartelette and Bloom palette, it's more of like a pinky tone. All over the crease as well. Right on top of Jet Setter. I'm buying my plane ticket to go see my boyfriend. At the end of this week, I'm buying it, and I'll see him in March. He lives in Ohio. Very, very excited. Okay. This Morphe brush, the M433. And I'm going to be taking Rebel, which is this color right here. And I'm going to be putting that in my outer corner. And I'm going to take my other Morphe brush, M518. And I'm kind of just going to... Now I'm going to be taking the Naked 3 brush. That came in a Naked 3 palette, obviously. And I'm going to be taking Funny Girl. And I'm just going to put... I love it. I just put it all over my lid. Really messy, to be honest. I'm not really neat, I guess. So, excuse me. So then I'm going to take the Jaclyn palette, and I'm going to take the color Faint. I think this palette's like sorter. Sometimes it's this color. It's like, put that right on top. I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush and take Rebel again. And I make the stupidest freaking faces. Ta-da! Those are the eyes. Now we're going to move on with the face. For the face, right now I'm going to bronze. I don't contour. So I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques contour brush, little baby version. I love this brush so much. And I'm going to be taking the Hoola bronzer. Obviously, I'm going to blend this out. The same Real Techniques powder brush. I'm going to blend her. I just take the leftovers of what's on the contour brush, and I just, oops, sorry. I just put that all over my forehead. Now I'm going to move on to eyeliner. I use the Stila waterproof, no. The Stila Sail Day waterproof liquid eyeliner, true. Okay. We're going to do like a light wing today. Oh no. Okay, I'm never doing eyeliner. on camera ever again. This is trash. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. Bye. There we go. Okay. So I put one of my lashes on off camera because, oh god, my eyeliner looks so bad. I'm using the lashes by Emery in the style Naya. They're my favorite eyelashes ever. Unfortunately, she told me that she's no longer making them because they're the ones that didn't do so well. Everyone should listen to Kaylee Morg. She's so talented. Okay. Okay. Alright, so while we wait for the lash to dry, I'm going to do my blush. And I'm going to take a Morphe powder brush, I guess. Just a random Morphe brush. This is better being freaking focus. Alright, I'm just going to take the Tarte blush in the color Party. It's in like the birthday thing. And I get a lot on there. So I kind of am going to pat it on and then blend it with my bronzer. Okay. I'm just going to put these lashes on. These lashes look so different. So now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take this Morphe, I guess this is like a smudge brush, I don't know, and I'm just going to take Sweetheart. Whoa, why is it so hard? Oh my god, what the heck? The brush is so hard, I'm so confused. Whoa. Okay, I'm just going to take Sweetheart, like I just said, and put that all under Rebel. And I'm really going to focus at like the outer edge of my eye, like more like the inner, or is this the outer portion? Alright, so for highlighter, I'm going to just spray my face. Just set all the makeup in place. Balm, highlighter, and Mary Luminizer. I go kind of insane with the nose highlight. Now for the inner corners, I'm going to be, I've never done this before. I haven't used this in so long. It's a NYX Roll-On Shimmer in the color Nude. You can't even see that. Oh my god, that is so pretty. And now for the very last bit, I don't know what I'm going to do with my lips. Actually, I think I'm going to do what I always do. I'm going to take my Too Faced Lip Insurance Glossy Lip Primer. I've never used this before. I just bought it from Marshall's, actually. Lipstick, one side. Okay. I found it. I'm going to take my lipstick. And this is the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani lipstick in 714. And it's a red lipstick. I don't think I like that lip primer. Okay. Alright, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry I look busted as fuck. If you liked my makeup and if you liked me, even if you like didn't like me, it's like I don't really care. Give this video a like. I can't talk, I'm having a fat stroke. Like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment. I actually delete all my social medias, never mind. I delete all my social medias, but I actually do sell my clothes on 3 different apps, so all of those will be linked below, so you guys can go check out my clothes. And my Tumblr will be linked below since those are the only social medias that I have right now. When I do bring my social medias back, they will be linked in the description along with everything else. Alright, bye guys. forgot to stop recording.